Hello, guys. Welcome to Crypto Talk with Bolingo.com. And today we are going to talk about Avalanche Network. So, one of the keys to hitting it big in crypto is to buy coins when every other person is not buying it and then sell it when every other person gets interested in it. So, one of those places where one of those prospects is Avalanche and most of the tokens that are listed on Avalanche. So, Avalanche is still a new network, or maybe not really new, but there are a lot of new tokens on Avalanche which you could buy now and then sell at a very higher price in the future. So you could start out with investing as little as maybe $10 or small money, and this money could turn up to be a big money in the future. So so this is how to go about setting up your Avalanche network. So the first thing you have to do here is to set up Avax chain on MetaMask. In case you don't know how to go about this, the first thing you have to do is download your MetaMask. And to download your MetaMask, go to metamask.io, install a Chrome extension, which is MetaMask Chrome extension. Download it on your mobile phone or iOS device. So let's assume we have done that. The next is to set up Avax chain on MetaMask. And to do that, let's go to our MetaMask. This is our MetaMask. Automatically, we are on our Ethereum network. So to set up the Avast network here, we'll click on this top right corner, and then we'll click on custom RPC. So this custom RPC, you could get these details from Avast network. So the Avast network website. And when we go there, we could get these details, the details to fill up all these things. So the details include, let's go here. You can see, as you can see here, we have the network name, Avalanche network. We'll copy it and then use it and fill up all these details. So let's fill it up. Fill it up. Chain ID is 4314 Avax. Okay. So when we save this, we can go back to our MetaMask. So as you can see, our Avast network has been set up. Already I've funded this Avast network. But so that takes us to the next step. And the next step is send Avax to MetaMask. So after you must have finished with your MetaMask, setting up your MetaMask and then setting up your Avast network on the MetaMask. So the next thing you do is to send Avast to MetaMask. And how to go about this is to go to any of the centralized exchange like Binance, Hotbit, any exchange at all that has Avast listed there, and then buy Avast, purchase Avast on that exchange and proceed to send Avast to MetaMask. So you can copy the address here. You can see this address here. Let's say for example, me myself, I have Avax on Binance, and I'm going to copy this address and send Avax to this address that's down to this my uh, network that's created on MetaMask. So let's proceed to send it. When I go to my Binance here, as you can see, this is my Binance. So I can paste the address which I copied and then select the network. So this is the most important aspect of it. So which network are you going to select? Make sure you select the AVAX C network. This is an AVAX C chain network. The AVAX C chain network is the one that supports for MetaMask. No other network is not AVAX Avalanche network. It is AVAX C network. So you could select this network, then select the amount you want to send, and then proceed to send it over here to your MetaMask. So right here, we have already completed okay how to go about sending the AVAX down to MetaMask. So the next step is to swap with uh, Pangolin Dex. Oh, this is a mistake. Pangolin Dex. So what we'll do that is how to go about it is to click on pangolin.exchange. You can open up the website. Let me look for it here. So this is pangolin.exchange, the website which we this is that helps us to swap these tokens. So when we come here, we'll click on launch app. I won't click on launch app. So the first thing we have to do is to connect. So in case you have not yet connected your Avast network to this Pangolin website, you can go ahead and connect it. And after connecting it, then you can now use Avax to swap any token you want to swap. So let's say, for example, I want to use Avax and swap Pangolin, the Pangolin native token. The Pangolin native token is PNG. So I can proceed to say, okay, let me use zero point 0.1 Avax and then swap for Pangolin. So then when I click on swap, I confirm swap. So let me remove this my picture. So when I confirm this swap, so this transaction have been submitted, and in no few in few minutes, just maybe less than 5 seconds, this transaction will be confirmed. And I think it should have been confirmed. Now let's open it and see if it has been confirmed. Okay, it has been confirmed. So that means you have succeeded in buying PNG, that's Pangolin token, using AVAX and then using the Pangolin exchange. Hello guys, I know by now you'll be wondering how to go about doing your research for the Avalanche ecosystem coins to buy. And the best place to start is to go on CoinGecko. You could see the category of Avalanche ecosystem, and then you could go through here. See, you can see that most of these coins are still below 30 million market cap, and then it means they have a lot of opportunities for them to grow. So that's it. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll be bringing you suits of this just like this. Thank you very much, and we'll see you later. Never miss out a crypto update. Subscribe to our channel for more. Bolingo.com